Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Furinno Turn-N-Tube 5-tier corner display rack, a versatile shelving unit perfect for any room in your home. Crafted from engineered wood and PVC tubes, this display rack combines a simple yet stylish design with functionality, making it an ideal storage solution for bathrooms, closets, home offices, living rooms, kitchens, and more. Its sturdy construction ensures stability on flat surfaces, and with a hassle-free assembly time of just 5 minutes, you'll have your space organized in no time. The compact dimensions of 11.6 inches in width, 11.6 inches in depth, and 57.7 inches in height make it a perfect fit for those tight corners that need a touch of organization. Whether you're displaying decorative items or storing everyday essentials, this corner rack offers both elegance and practicality. So, if you're looking to maximize your space with a sleek and functional design, the Furinno Turn-N-Tube corner display rack might just be the perfect addition to your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.